What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe, click the notifications, bell icon, all that good stuff, and support the channel. So we won't waste any time. We've got a Nike SB. The light's reflecting, I do apologize for that. Nike SB, my first ever SB. I'm definitely going to talk about the box. Please don't comment, no one cares about the box. Some people do. It's got stuff there. If you actually want to read that, then just pause this and read it, because I'm not going to read it out. Bit dyslexic. But yeah, on the label, which I will read, it's Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, white / black white, UK 10 centimeters 29, BR 43, Euro 45, US size 11. The style code on this pair is CD2563 and they're made in Vietnam. So let's get straight into it. Green tissue, green and white tissue paper, lovely, lovely. And we've got the white pair, white and black, with the gum sole SB Dunk. So I'll go through the colors first and then we'll talk about everything else. You know, gum sole SB Dunk bottom, standard sole for Nike SB Dunk Low, Dunk High, Mid Dunk, all of that. Then we've got the midsole, which is just white, and then stitching's also white. The upper, literally the whole upper, is white leather. It's a different leather to the standard dunks, I will be honest, or it's a different leather that I've experienced on other dunks. The back tab, it says Nike, just stitched in black, and then obviously that big extended swoosh all across the side. The swoosh is actually a one-piece swoosh which wraps around, goes under, wraps all the way around to the other side. And then obviously all white, white toe box. Probably gonna crease real quick, but it is what it is. And then on the inside, same thing, all white. When it's a shoe that's all white, all black, it's very hard to review, apart from saying it's white, it's black, it's all white, it's all black. Laces, we've got the SB laces, which are, it's like this oval type lace, so it's like puffy, it's not a flat lace. And then it's got the little SB and the Nike swoosh, so Nike SB. It's a good lace, I'll be honest. This is like a dunk lace, which is what dunks are known for. I do sometimes get these laces for my standard dunks, just to give them a bit of oomph, whatever you want to call it. Maybe it's just all in my head. Then we've got the stitching on the tongue, which says Nike SB. This tongue is crazy thick, padded tongue, very padded, very fat. I'm not sure I'm getting it in. Very cushioned, I should say, instead of calling it fat. No fat shaming around here. And then the inside, again, is different to the normal dunk. It's got these two bits which kind of like on the heel cup and just kind of hold your foot in better. Quite padded as well compared to a standard dunk. Standard dunk is quite, you know, I'm just going to make a full-on comparison. Let me review these first. And then there's even got these elastic bits which kind of like hold the tongue, so you know your foot's proper in. It is a skateboarding shoe at the end of the day. And then obviously we've got the Nike SB on the insole, just like a square. I think that's printed, but that's quite decent quality. Does the insole come out? Yes, it does, quite easily actually. So you can just see inside just plain. That's weird. It's a bit dirty. It looks a bit funny there. Don't know if the camera's gonna. Wow, that's a bit funny. Good old Nike. Then this is the insole. It's like a textured material, quite nice. And then on this side, this bit's kind of soft. Then this bit's a bit more firm. And then we've got like a harder, it's a bit of gel there, and then a hard like heel cushion. Not really a cushion, but it's kind of hard. If you wanted to, you can definitely change out for some more comfort insoles, softer. That's probably just going to come apart if you bend it too much. But yeah, decent insole, nothing to rave about. Yeah, so yeah, I'll be honest, I usually do change. If I find them a little bit uncomfortable, like the insole, I just change it for like a better one. Comfort insole, just buy it online, different insoles. I won't recommend one because you have to try them to know what fits with you, because I've tried so many different ones, it's been a joke. I've tried gel ones, I've tried normal ones, I've tried aftermarket ones from different companies which sell them, all sorts. I've even swapped out like different Air Force ones, different Vomero ones. I've done every sort of swap you can think of, even Puma ones. Surprisingly, Puma insoles are quite comfortable on other sneakers. But yeah, so I'm not going to waffle too much more. Just got the black on white SB Dunk with a gum sole. Really nice shoe. Especially the price I got them at, to be honest. So the price was around £60 on the Nike sale at the time of recording. That price can jump, will change up. Not sure, but you know, that's just how things work. Oh yeah, one more thing with what I really do like sneakers these days. I was expecting another pair of laces with these. It didn't come with it. I'm not sure if they all come with spare laces or not, but I do see a lot of SBs do come with spare laces. It also came with a sticker, if the camera picks it up, just a Nike SB sticker. I'm a fan of stickers, to be honest, so that's definitely going to be used. Just put it somewhere, which I really like. So thank you for the sticker, Nike. I was going to say spitter, but that doesn't make sense. I'm really fumbling. You can tell I'm tired. But yeah, I expected some spare laces. Got a sticker instead. Not really a like-for-like swap, but it is what it is. But yeah, enough of the waffle. Wait a few moments. You'll see an on-foot video of these, of course. I'm going to also release an on-foot video separately, and I will be releasing a SB versus normal Dunk low comparison video. So click that bell icon, put your notifications on, make sure you're watching, make sure you're waiting, looking out for those videos, and take care, my people.
Thank you.